Hello, my name is Amy. I am your Chief Information Officer. You pay me big bucks, so let me refresh your memory on what I do. Just about everything. I know you will not regard me in good light if I do not mention big data, social media, mobility, and cloud computing. Not just the infrastructure, but I have to manage the people who maintain it, and manage the people who manage them. The infrastructure is useless without the brains that run it. These brains, called programs, are developed by vendors and customized by programmers. You have to manage them also. To manage the managers, I need bigger managers, like the PMO, who can manage the project managers, and as needed, highly paid strategic advisors who tell me what to do. And not just that, you constantly want updates and reports. My team spent a lot of time preparing these reports for you. I met a Fortune 500 Chief Information Officer, who told me that in addition to what I had done, I needed lots of tools, and more staff to maintain them. Where do I find the money? On the way back from the conference, I recalled a luncheon conversation with a guy with a funny accent. He said he had faced the same problem, but found no good solutions. He said that managing technical staff is tough, but managing users is tougher. That made sense to me. My flight was delayed. With nothing better to do, I went to his website. He said that if we have to always look over our shoulder, we cannot forge ahead. UGovernIT was a tool that helped CIOs run the business of information technology. He said that as managers, we should not introduce systems that entail onerous processes. Tools should be simple, configurable, and adapt to our way of doing things. I also recall that he had indicated he had built UGovernIT to solve the issues faced by Chief Information Officers. I will ask Alan to check it out.
Hello, I am Alan. I get things done for Amy. Every time Amy comes back from a conference, I have to evaluate something or the other. So I pulled in my team to the conference room.
Alan, our two difficult areas are how to manage user service requests, and also manage project requests from business. We do not have an army of resources to handle all these.
Agreed. Do not also forget we need to align our resources and budgets to these requests. Well, Gloria, pretend you are selling this product. What do you see?
Well, the product name is funny. UGovernIT. It seems to have all the components, including managing services, projects, and of course, managing our resources and budgets. It simplifies service requests. We can set up our process any way we want. All without coding. For example, look at how complex our employee hiring process is. In UGovernIT, it is just a one-click service which opens a simple wizard. It asks a few simple questions and validates user responses. Here is the best part. It automatically creates all necessary forms and action items for us to onboard the employee. The project request is richer, but uses the same wizard type interface. The pre-built reports makes it easy for us to understand the scope, costs, schedule, and the risks involved.
Alan, now I can manage project portfolios and provide a cost-value grid. This will help Amy to work with users and prioritize the projects. With dashboards giving us a 360-degree view, Amy can share these with users and management to help align our budgets to business needs.
Not only can we use UGovernIT within our department, but we can also use the services platform to help bring efficiencies to the rest of the enterprise as well. The part I like best, it costs less to deploy and use, and the software as a service model takes the headache off my back. Let us get UGovernIT in for a demo.